welcome back to my channel. It's Ogetesi. So in this video I'll be unboxing my foodstuffs that made it to Australia from Nigeria. Yeah, I'm unboxing my Nigerian foodstuffs with you guys. So the truth is that some foodstuffs made it, some didn't make it. So this video is not actually to discourage you from packing foodstuffs to any country that you are traveling to. Like if you're coming to Australia, there are some states that are strict, some are flexible. So I'm not here to discourage you. I'm just being real with you guys. At least I showed you guys what I packed to Australia, and now I'm here to show you things that actually made it to Australia. So if you're planning to travel out, pack the things that you can, the ones that make it. Thank God the one that didn't succeed, just take it the way they are. So if you have not watched my videos where I packed my foodstuffs, kindly do that. It will help you to know what I actually packed and what I actually came in with. Yeah, this is our foodstuff. So I packed everything in one bag to make it easier for unboxing. So guys, my Ashi made it. Yeah, it's not easy. All this food stuff that made it, I really thank God, because passing Melbourne and Hobart airport is not easy. So our Ashi made it. Our Dawa made it actually, although I have like 2 packs of this Dawa when I was coming. So they removed one from Melbourne. When I was at Melbourne, they removed one. Then Hobart allowed this one to pass through. Egusi actually made it through, so my Egusi succeeded it. Then my Zobo leaves made it, although they have Zobo leaves here. So I just picked these foodstuffs for us to use for a while. All these things, from what I've noticed for some days now, they are available here. But I just said to pack some things down to this place. Then our Nshao made it too. Yeah, this is our otazi leaf. Yeah, I don't drink it with otazi leaf. This will serve me for some time. Guys, our Opa made it. She's based in UK. She really, demanded for this ukwa. I wish I can send it across to you in the UK. I would have given you some, because when I was packing my foodstuffs, it really showed interest in this ukwa. But I believe that you're able to get it over there. What else? Our okazi leaf made it, guys. So my okazi entered. Yeah, I also have my ede, grounded cocoyam. That is for cocoyam soup. So they pass through the borders. What else do we have here? Oha made it too. Yeah, my ugu leaves also made it. What else? My plantain, yeah, chopped unripe plantain also made it. What else do we have here? My chicken, no cubes. This is ordinary no cube. They all made it. Maggi star, they made it too. Yeah, my honey made it. This is organic honey, guys. They have honey here, but this is organic one. They nearly removed this honey, guys. When I was at Melbourne, they nearly removed it, but I'm happy that it's made it actually. Then this is my Abasha made it too. What else do we have here? My Oziza leaf. Yeah, my Oziza leaf made it. Then my Obonotu made it, although they removed one pack. Then I didn't know if they didn't see this one. They don't want to remove it. I don't know what actually happened. But a friend of mine that left Australia to US gave me her obolo like this, 3 of it. I'm really enjoying that obolo, as if she knew that they removed some of my obolo, so I need to replace those ones they removed. So guys, most of my spices, they removed everything. They just left only one pepper soup spices for me. for them to remove everything, maybe this one just escaped it because I don't want anything spices. Then my garlic powder is also here, so they made it. Then this is my curry leaves. I dried curry leaves too for stew. I have my curry leaves, and then this is also otazi. I've opened this one. These ones I'm using flexible. I've opened them, and then another open. So guys, this is all I have in this box. I have a list of what I packed when I was coming to Australia. Actually, like my stockfish, guys, they removed my stockfish, and that stockfish was expensive, but that's by the way. All my crayfish, they removed these. So if you're coming to Australia, don't even bother packing stuff crayfish. Actually, they will just remove it, so it's painful. We all know how things are expensive back home, so that was the one that really pained me most. Then my uziza seed, they also removed uziza seed. I don't know why they removed it. Then for okwa, they removed some okwa too. So you know, there was a way I packed my foodstuffs. Like if you watch my videos where I packed my bags, like the room tour I did before traveling, like where we stayed in Lagos, there was a way I packed my foodstuff. I packed them across the 6 bags. I wanted to pack foodstuffs in some bags and just feel like to distribute the foodstuffs across the bags in between clothes. So maybe that was how some of these foodstuffs made it partially. So they removed my crayfish. So if you're coming, don't even bother packing crayfish unless you just want to try luck. Then they also removed my catfish. There was this catfish I bought when I was in Abakaliki. That catfish, the woman really tried. She, you know, oven dried it. It was fresh, so tasty, guys. In fact, you need to watch where I packed my food stuff for you to see that catfish. They removed everything. Then they also removed my apple. I boiled banga. I want to cook soup. I can just take like few seeds and make the water color before cooking my soup. They removed that boiled banga seeds. The pan fruits, they removed it. So all my spices, they were removed. My plantain flour that I grinded, they removed it. They don't want anything that is in powdered form. I don't know why they said that. Then all my okpa powder too, I grinded okpa powder. They removed that one too. Then we all can see that some vegetables made it. Like most of the vegetables, they allowed it. So if you are coming to Australia, I will advise you to dry enough vegetables, especially scent leaf. Yeah, that is in Shang in Igbo language, and efiri in Yoruba. I don't know if I can see the botanical name for Nshang for people that would like to come with Nshang. Okay, I've seen it. This is Osinum gratisinum. It's a very nice vegetable, so medicinal. Like whenever I cook indomie for my kids here, I used to add it. It gives this flavor, not just that flavor, it's so medicinal. So I don't joke with Nshang and otas leaf. All those bitter leaves, they are so medicinal. So just pack enough vegetables, enough bitter leaf. My bitter leaf also made it too. So anything vegetables, once they are dried, well labeled, you can see the sample of the label. The person that did this label for me, person is Nabakaliki, so he did a nice job. So what else? My bitter cola too, they seized it. So when I was coming to Australia, I heard that there are a lot of snakes in Australia, so I didn't want to take chances. I bought enough bitter cola. And we all know that bitter cola is also expensive too in Nigeria, so I bought enough. So I was angry when they removed that bitter cola too. It's not only to expel reptiles in the homes, you know, in Nigerian homes, when you drop bitter colas around your houses, it scares some insects that crawl out of the houses. So when they took it, I was so scared. I said, God, this is the that I'm traveling with the way they've given me information that there's a lot of snakes in Australia, so they've removed this cooler. So when I got to this place, guys, I've not seen any snakes for since I came here. I've not seen any snakes. Maybe it depends on the state. I don't know, but since we've entered here, I've not even seen anything like insects or snakes. Although I've been seeing all those small what is it being called, scorpion. I don't know if they're actually scorpion, but they are just smaller size compared to the species we have in Nigeria. I've been seeing scorpions, like I've seen 4 to 5 scorpions since I came here, but I've not seen snakes. So these are actually the foodstuffs that made it to Australia. Then my advice is that if you are traveling to Australia, just pack enough vegetables. Then if you're taking other things like fish, crayfish, just take little so that when they collect it from you, you won't feel bad. And you can also try your luck, because I've heard some people that also traveled and everything made it. So it depends on where you are heading to. As when I stopped at Melbourne as my final destination, I would have entered with a lot of foodstuff because Melbourne removed some of my foodstuff. But when I got to Hobart, that was where they removed everything. There is this security dog that they have in the airports. When people are carrying their luggages, that dog, I don't know how it sends any foodstuff in your bag, no matter how you package it. Once that dog stops where your bag is, you have to go close and open it for them. So that was how the dog captured bags that contains those catfish and crayfish, and they removed everything. And the funniest thing is that they don't even, when they seize those things, they don't even eat it. They will just trash it. They will trash it outrightly. So don't even give it to their dogs. They're just trying to control, pests in their states, and they're really doing well, because I can confess that as I came to this place, I've not seen insects like cockroach, spider, all those things that used to crawl around where there are foodstuffs. So they are just doing their job. That is just, though it's painful to us that are coming to the states, but it's for our own benefit as well. So don't bother yourself much. Some of these things, they are available in the African shops, so you can get some of them. But here in Hobart, it's not everything that is actually available. But in Melbourne and states like Queensland, they have all these food stores, just that they're expensive. But with time, when you get a job, you'll be able to afford all those things. So these are the food stores that actually made it to Australia. I say, since I've showed you guys where I packed them, I still have to unbox with you guys. This video might help someone on what to pack and what not to pack, and also how to label your foodstuffs. Then if you feel like you want to travel with a lot of foodstuffs, you can also buy already made foodstuffs, like from ShopRite. Those ones that are sealed, once they are sealed, manufactured by companies, you don't have any issues with them. But even if you want to package them by yourself, just try and use a transparent nylon and seal them properly. You don't want to see anything like crawling inside the foodstuff. Once they see anything like this type of package now, if they should look at it and see anything that is crawling, they will just trash it automatically. So despite the fact that I made my research before coming, because I wanted to carry my Bakaliki rice, and I noticed that they don't want anything rice. I didn't bother packing rice. They didn't want anything like snail. I didn't bother myself buying snails. But this crayfish, I saw that they allow it, but I was surprised how they removed that crayfish. Then for catfish, they accept dried fish too. But that particular species, that is catfish, they say they don't allow that one. Same thing with stockfish. They just check the species of the stockfish and see that it's among the list, so they track those ones. So guys, this is what I have to show you guys for the foodstuffs that actually made it to Australia. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Continue supporting your girl. See you in my next video.